Today we're going on a hike and going camping, but we're going prepared with our new leak-proof cooler backpack with tons of storage pockets and can hold up to 30 cans. It comes shipped to your door ready to keep your drinks and food insulated for many hours to come. The backpack has a ton of storage pockets. You have one on the top flap, then you have a bigger zipper pocket in the front with many storage pockets inside. And in front of that, you have a more hidden zipper pocket for your valuables. Then of course you have the main leak-proof compartment. It can fold out and fit all your food and drinks. Then you have water bottle holders on the sides. Then on one of the shoulder straps, you have a bottle opener. And on the other, you have a cell phone pocket. The straps come complete with an extra squishy pad and feel good on the back, even loaded down. So I did just that. I loaded the backpack down with all the essentials I need for my camping trip. Then I went on a hike to the campsite. I climbed up and down hills and hardly noticed the backpack. It was super comfortable to wear, even with the weight in there. Not only does it feel good to wear, but I think it looks pretty cool too. It doesn't look like you're wearing a cooler, just a nice little backpack. Then when I finally arrived at my campsite, I sat down the cooler backpack, grabbed one of my favorite beers, and popped the tab with my handy bottle opener. I sat up the tent, made a fire, and cooked some food. I had cold drinks all through the night, and my food was safely stored for when I needed it. It was so nice to be able to go to the campsite and not have to carry all the food and drinks separately. I had everything I needed right on my back, and hands free for the hike. Not to mention, it was nice to rest for a second and get a cold water during the hike. And if that's not enough, the leak-proof liner makes cleanup really easy. So if you're looking for a nice cooler backpack to take with you camping or on a hike, this one might just be for you. Till next time, I'm gonna go relax under the stars and drink a cold beer. See ya.